The seal of prophethood of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, as narrated in Zubda tu Shama'il, commented by Hamayl Nadim. Some muhaddithin say that the seal of prophethood was from birth, while some muhaddithin say that when the first incision was made in his blessed chest, the seal of prophethood was also made then. Some muhaddithin say that Muhammad Rasulullah was written on the seal of prophethood, while others say that it was written Sir Fa'antul Mansur on the seal of prophethood, which meant wherever you stay you shall be assisted. There are different narrations regarding the configuration, dimension and color of the seal of prophethood. Hadrat Sa'ib bin Yazid radiallahu anh narrated, it resembled the egg of a pheasant. The egg of a pheasant is a little smaller than a hen's egg and a little bigger than a pigeon's egg. Some say that the seal of prophethood resembled the egg-shaped parquet that hanged from a bed sheet which is about the size of a pigeon's egg. Hadrat Jabir bin Samura radiallahu anh narrated, it was a collection of some hair. Hadrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiallahu anh narrated, on the blessed back of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam there was a protruding piece of flesh. According to the narration of Hadrat Abdullah bin Sarjis radiallahu anh, the seal of prophethood was in between the shoulders, resembling a fist, and around it were several moles the size of a wart. The summary and cream of all these narrations is that on the Prophet ﷺ's back and in between his shoulders there was a protruding piece of flesh shaped like an egg, and it also had hair on it. The contradictions in the aforementioned narrations are no contradictions in reality. These are all analogies which differ according to the intellect of people, and it is actually an approximate condition. Allama Qurtubi Rahmatullah reports that the seal of prophethood varied in quantity and color. It also changed in quantity. At the time of Prophet ﷺ's passing, when a few companions became uncertain, Hazrat Asma radiallahu anh inferred about the demise of the Prophet ﷺ when the seal of prophethood was found to be absent. It can be understood from this that the seal of prophethood vanished when he passed away. Jazakallah khair for watching this video. Please like, comment and share, and consider subscribing to our channel for more upcoming videos in this series. It has a special focus on the blessed lifestyle of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.